Hello guys, welcome to Saurushivlog. So today we will do the unboxing as well as we will give you the honest review from the wellness shop. We got an amazing product. So let's do the unboxing. Before the starting, let me show you the packaging. We directly got our products from that website, and you can also order it from that Amazon and the Flipkart also. So see, this is the packaging, and packaging was very nice, and there is no harm of the product. See, yay! So we got a two product. This was a lip balm, and it's a very cute and very small tiny, and you can just keep it anywhere. I love the packaging and I love that boxing of the lip balm. And we got the raspberry and the beetroot and the rosehip and almond. So these are very nice, and both weight was same, 5 grams. So today we will review it this raspberry, and in the next video we will review it of this. So let's start it, guys. So I personally like this lip balm, and I daily use it, and I thought to review it in front of you also, guys. So it's a very honest review it. So I use this product personally, and I will let you know like why I like this. So main thing with the rich raspberry and the beetroot extract, I love this ingredient. It contains a rich raspberry and the beetroot extract with the castor oil with Bex, and it's a very amazing product to got a beauty, and it help you the chapped lips now. And because of this natural things now, your lips will feel very moisturized and will feel very nourished. So let me tell about the benefits also. Protect the lip from the drying out and can also avoid the cracked lips. So it's really helped me with that. And one more thing, the lightening the dark pigmentation or discoloration of on your lips. And if you have this, trust me guys, just use it this. And let me show you this back thing, and ingredient you can just able to view it. There is no sulfate, it's just made up of the natural thing. Just zoom it and pause this video and just read it about the price. I will share the link in the description box, so you can just check it out over there, and just you can just buy it from there. And it's helped me to keep my lips nourished and moisturized all day long. So I personally use this lip balm twice a day, and to get a better result, guys, you have to use it at least 4 days, and it's very easy to open it and use it also. And see, this is a, we have to open it, and we have this cap. Let me open it and see what the moisturize. Let's see, you can see the drops over there. It's a very nourished and very moisturized thing. And see, the color was also very nice, and it's very easy to use also. Take a small amount of the lip balm in your fingertips and apply to your bottom lips first, starting at the center of the lips, and work together the corners. So fluent, you can use frequently as a required, and you can use it before applying the lipstick also for a fluent look. I love this thing. And the raspberry and the beetroot is also very important for your skin. That raspberry has a bit rich in vitamins. That extract provide a deep moisturization onto your lips. And the beetroot, it's a naturally bleaching properties it has, and will also help lightening the lips a dark pigment also. It also moisturize and nourish the lips. So guys, trust me, it's an amazing product, and there is no chemical use in this product, and it's a sulfate free, and it's very easy to use also. And after applying, you will feel a very natural color in your lips, and it's some transparency also, and it's just as amazing. And I already show you how to use it. Just take it thing and just apply it. See, and this is a look. I hope you like my video. Just share your comments on the box after using how you like this video, and share your experience also, how you feel after using. And I really feel a very moisturizing after just applying it. It's very lightweighted also, and the best thing is this, it's a natural, organic and the pure, and there is no GMO sulfate or parabens, and they do not practice to the any animal testing, because we all love it. So whenever any product is just launched, they firstly try on that